Hello again. Here we are in the code. I have the two imports from cats. I have the speed case class and a companion object for speed with my add speeds operation that we saw in the slides. So let's go ahead and write a monoid instance for speed. So I'm going to call it monoid speed. And I'm going to create an instance for monoid. Going to override the methods. Okay. Empty should be speed. And specifically the 0 speed. And combine should also be a speed. And should just be the add speeds operation that we have. So add speeds x, y, and we have our monoid instance. Of course, there's an easier way to do this. If we don't want to override the methods explicitly, we can just call monoid.instance and pass both the empty value and the combine function. So the empty value is speed 0. And for the combine function, I need to take two speeds and I need to add them with the add speeds. So you see that it's much shorter. It's a one-liner. In fact, I can further reduce this with a call to add speeds like this. So it's not necessary that I write the lambda function. I can just use add speeds, and this is it. So look how short the definition is. It's pretty amazing. So now let's test it. Since I have only one instance for monoid of speed and it's in the companion object, I'm going to summon it like this. And I will try the combine. Let's create a speed for 1000 and a speed for 2000. So I, of course, expect to get a speed for 3000. And here we go, speed for 3000. If I want to get the empty element, I can get it, and I get the 0. Making sense so far. What happens if I combine speed with the empty element? You see that the speed is actually not modified. I still get 1000. Cool. Now, if I don't want to use this combine operation like this with the monoid and then combine, I can use some syntax from monoid, which looks like this. So what this is doing is basically combining the two speeds, just as we did in our first example. So let's run it just to confirm. There you go, 3000. Now, what else can we do? Here we combine two elements. What if I want to combine, for example, a list of elements? And now I have two options. I can call combine all, which will take any iterable ones of speed. So let's use a list. It should be fine. Let's add 3 speeds to the list and run this, and we get the sum of all of them. So 600, and this is okay. But if I want to use syntax, because I don't like calling combine all from the monoid, again, I can do that, and it's like this. I write the list, and then I call combine all, and I get the same result. One last method that I want to show is empty. So again, monoid speed is empty, speed 100. And you see that the compiler is not happy. And why is that? It's because I need an instance of egg for speed. So for the sake of the example, I'm going to write a very quick instance, which is just going to be the universal equals. Remember that I have this utility method, and the error goes away. So of course, this is not the empty element. So if I run this, I will get a false. And if I run this with the actual empty element, which is this, I will get a true. Okay, so that's for operations in Monoid.